Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hussein. I want to install Django and with a virtual environment and then set up Python. So in this tutorial, at the first I should introduce this programming language. So how do we do this one? We should open a CMD or it called a tool. So right here, if we're creating an empty directory, we can rather make mkdir. So this directory by the name of Django tutorial. For example, Django class. Hit enter. So right now we can jump to this inside this directory by the name of Django class 1. So right here I've got this one. Inside this directory we can make and we can install Django. So right here is inside this directory. Just you can write down at the first how to install Django. Just write down pip install Django. Touch this one. If you have installed this one, you do not need to do this one for second time. So the release of this package is available right here. I already done this one, install this one, and do not need for this one for second time. So right here for creating a virtual environment, so we should jump to this directory. So right now this one I should install, make a virtual environment. For this one we can pip install virtual env. So inside this directory, so we should jump to this Django class 1. So right now I'm inside this Django class 1. So inside this Django class 1 we can make this virtual environment. For this one we can write virtual env. We are gonna to set up this virtual environment and inside the separate directory. We can call this directory by the name env or virtual environment. So we can write down pip install. At first we should install this one. Install virtual env as env. So we should active this one. We can write down virtual env as env directory. So we should wait for this one for a few minutes. It will be installed inside our folder as Django class 1. This virtual environment directory will be created inside this. If we jump to this directory, we can write and change directory or cd and env. So right now we are inside this. If we are going to see the script of this virtual environment, the script files of this virtual environment, we can write and see, just write and pip script, capital S script, it's like this one. You can see the list of this one. So script so pip list. We can see this virtual environment files here. This one Django class performs, this virtual environment is this file log, this is prolonged for executing or managing file image inside the Django application, and this pip and this platform and this resolve. This is usable for making an user account and payment account. This requires this setup tools and this SQL parts and this editor. This all script file or existing inside this virtual environment. So we can come back to it. Just write down dot and slash inside the main directory or root directory. So right now we can make an application. Django application. For this one we can write down at Django admin. So start project by the name of application, the main application by the name app. So we have got this directory, that is this first application with the name app. If we jump inside this app, we just write down cd app. We are now inside this basic Django application. So if we come back, we can write down cd // we come back inside the main directory. So we can open this Django class by VS Code. We can write down code and dot. By VS Code, we can open this Django class. So right here we have got this application, basic Django application, and this virtual environment. So right here, if we are going to run this page, we have got this application and this manage p.py, this file. So and inside this basic application we have got this setting and URLs. This URLs is for linking and managing all other application which we are going to make and create other application. We should link other application just inside this URLs patterns. So we will talk about the during of this lesson, and this setting is just for registering for other application. If we're going to make another second application right here, we should register this one inside it. For example, main application or other application, for example, if we're going to make an application by the name of item or category, we should add its name right here and register those application just right here. This setting is just for an installed application or existing right here, Django country, but main Django country, this one session and others. These models or this setting files or existing right here. For example, this static file. We'll talk about this one during of this tutorial. You can see. So at the first, if we are going to run this one, just open this new terminal, and at the first we should jump to this application. We can just write on cd app and hit enter. Right now we are existing inside the main application by the name app. If we're going to run this, we can add and type this manage.py run server. So for selecting all and choosing our URLs, we can add the URLs. For example, if we are going to select URLs, for example 5050, we can write 5050. If we are going to the user just select our URLs for browser, just can write on part-1 manage.py and then run server. The server will select the URLs number. So hit enter. So we can open this one, we can copy this one and bring it right here. We can open a new browser. So excuse me, I've got that's another application which are open, so we can break, just hit Ctrl C. Right now we can write on part-1 manage.py, so run server and select 8080. Write down 8080 as URLs of this application. So right here we can copy this URLs, come back right here. So just place right here inside the, excuse me for this one, I have got this one as well. I should change this URLs, Ctrl C. So part-1 manage.py run server, so server as 5050 or 4040. This one, hit enter. Just copy this one and paste inside the browser right here. Right. This is the basic Django application. Installed successfully. Congratulations. Congratulations is the basic application. You can see that here. So for creating an other application, just jump right here. Inside this main application, you can create and make different types of application just right here. So for doing this one, you should break this one and cancel this running for the creating another application. We just write on Python manage.py. So start app. So for the second by the name of this this application, for example, our main application is up to what kinds of name you are going to give for your application, and then hit enter. The second application will be installed inside our main application. So right here I have a look. We have got the second application by the name of main application. Inside the main application we have got these Python files such as the admin, apps, models, test, views. We will talk about this next. Have a look right here. We run the page. As the first, we should link this one. This URLs, if we do not have this URLs, we should carry the URLs inside the main application. So we can write an URLs.py. Hit enter. So I've got these URLs right here. We can include these URLs. The second URLs. Just like include such this one, and we can copy this one right here. We can write a part. So we can give this one as empty string, then can put the comma, and inside the string we can add this second application by the name of main. So the first we should this include inside the parentheses inside this string we can add a main such this application dot URLs such this one. So we can copy this one and bring to inside the second application. So we do not need this for this one. We can get rid of it, and can remove this one as well. So we do not do this for this one. Right here we have got this path. So we can leave it as string, empty string, and right here we have got these views. So we can write down views dot homepage, for example. We have got this homepage right here. So and we can write down from current folder. We can import views. So right here I've got this one inside the views. Right here we should define so a class define a page, for example home page. So we can request this one, this parameter, and then we can return. So return is a render object, and then request by this parameter request from via from home.html we can request. So inside this we have got inside this main application we can add we can request this home.html. So we should carry this HTML file, copy this one inside the directory. We should make another directory. An application should make the second directory by the name of template. So templates, hit enter. Inside this template we should make a folder by the name of main. So inside the main folder we can create a file by the name of home.html. So right now we are inside the home.html file. So right here we should make a Django file. So for this one we should change to HTML file. Search this one. So at the first, inside the HTML file, so we have got this explanation, so we can load this in. So right here we should change to HTML Django file, so we can add this load static file right here. We have got this block title as this block, so content and main block content. Right here, if we add this tag element, each one element, so welcome to the home page. Such this one, who's the h1, who's the tag. So right here we should change this block title. So we can write on block title, such this one. Inside the block title we can write on welcome. So if we refresh the page, we can see, so at the first we should jump inside the setting and register this main application right here. So come back right here, I've got this one. So the main inside this string we can add this main directory, the name of the second application by the main. So right now we should run the page. We can write down Python manage.py and run server. So run server as 4040 URLs. So we can refresh the page. Welcome to the homepage. This is the second application which we have created, and we will talk about this one, and we're going to make registration and authentication for our application. See you then next lesson. Have a good time.